Hi guys, welcome back with another unboxing video. In this video we're gonna unbox the Casio G-Shock GMW-B5000GD-4ER. This watch is a 3459 caliber and comes in a grey camo box. And here it is, the GMW-B5000GD-4ER. Wow, what a beautiful watch. The watch has a case with a diameter of 43.2mm and is 13mm thick. This watch is part of the Rose Gold Ingot series. This watch features a stainless steel screwback case with a DLC coated caseback and a stainless steel bezel and band. The watch is an absolute eye-catcher. It's obviously a Casio G-Shock, but at the same time it looks so elegant. The watch has a mineral glass and is 20 bar water resistant. Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.